After the birth, the mother cared about its calf, as it dried and cleaned it, but it did not let it near its udder, the milk bar, and kicked it away. Maybe the udder did hurt, as it looked a little swollen. So we had to get our vet Tongchai to confine the mother into a little, I call it, jail, where it was impossible for her to kick the calf. My wife Fian and I had to help during this process, like holding the cow's tail, and holding up the calf, while drinking. That is the reason why I could not record this process on video. It is important for the calf to drink within 1 hour after its birth the first milk from its mother, which is called colostrum. It contains over 90 compounds that fight against diseases, provide nutrients, and stimulate growth and generation of nerves, cartilage, bone, and muscle, as it contains important vitamins, minerals, hormones, etc. After that first feeding of the calf, we did not bother to feed the calf with milk from its mother again. It was too time-consuming, bringing the reluctant mother with calf from the meadow into our cattle maternity hospital, and performing the required procedures. We just feed the calf with a calf milk replacer with a feeding bottle. 1 plastic bag of that milk replacer contains 800 grams of milk powder. Stirred into warm water gives around 15 liters of substitute calf milk. That is enough to feed the calf 3 times per day with 5 liters each time. 1 plastic bag of milk replacer costs about €3 now. After 3 months, the calf will start gradually to eat more grass and less milk.
The world has been left broken.
The calf regards Fian, who feeds the calf most of the time, as its mother. If it is hungry, it comes to outdoor, and calls in cow language, "I am hungry." During feeding, she even knocks with its nose into the body of Fian, like all cows do, when they drink from the udders of their mothers. Although the mother cow is not feeding the calf, surprisingly she is still caring for the calf, like licking it with its tongue. They are never far apart from each other.
Open your mind. The world has been left broken. Open your mind. The world has been left broken.